Imagine you're learning how to build houses, but instead of bricks and mortar, you are working with code. Remix IDE is like a virtual sandbox for building and testing those digital houses, which are called smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. You can access it from anywhere with an internet connection, making it super convenient for learning and experimenting. Remix is like having a complete set of tools in one place. A compiler to turn your code into instructions the blockchain can understand. A debugger to find and fix any mistakes. And even a simulator to test your creations without spending real money. It is a great starting point for beginners, student, and anyone who wants to explore the world of smart contracts without needing to set up a complex development environment. While Remix is a fantastic tool for learning and experimentation, it is not meant for large-scale projects or production deployments. For those, you'll need more advanced tools. But if you're just starting out, Remix is a fantastic way to get your feet wet and learn the fundamentals of smart contract development.